Okay, where are we up to today? Stripping paint off the GE A3-5826 or the C model. It's now in pieces. Removed the faceplate, knobs, removed all the paint from them, sanded them, just waiting for their final sand. They're now in undercoat etch primer for acrylic. This was the most challenging. So this had lots and lots of damage. Let's see, I'll see if I can get you close. And you can see now that there's hardly any there at all. I'm not too fussed on that edge because that's covered by the plate. Getting this framework correct and the bezel right on the edge was quite a challenge, but luckily there is so much meat on this plastic. I was able to get it all, you know, OEM grade. Just finished sanding the digital readout with 2000 grit and then polishing it, friction polishing. There's not a scratch on it now, and that just drops into there. So that was quite a lot of damage to that. The metal inlay, which I have here, which I've cleaned, sanded lightly, applied a high gloss lacquer, clear coat, and I will then apply a satin over the course of the next couple of days. So the point of the exercise now is that in this restoration is that it's now all stable. I'm now going to experiment with putting the OEM looking silver on this and then doing a lighter silver on this via the airbrush. All right, that's your lot. The progress on the A3-5826 C model GE CB radio. Thank you.